What's up, guys? Good evening, good afternoon. Yeah, guys, from the village again. This is our village. This is Maj_KE. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, guys, this is Maj_KE. Always positive, giving you the best out of the best, guys. So, thank you so much, people of Narok. Now we're back at home, back at work, and this is how we do it, guys. This is my village. Yeah, this is village grandpa's residence. From here, as you can see, I'm really humble and happy to be back at home, and I'm really happy where I went. I was so happy. Everything was done on point. Everything was good. So, guys, with me here, I have always my Maria Mambo. This is my niece. Ukwaje? Likumiss? Yeah, this is my niece Maria. Say hello.
Hello guys, Maria underscore K Instagram.
Angalia kamera mama.
Hello guys, Maria underscore K Instagram. Maja KE and village grandpa.
Yes.
And grandma meet me can
Yes. So guys, that is my niece. This is Maria, and yeah, we are back at home, and I'm so happy. I really believe it was a long period of time, and I have not explored Narok. Yeah.
Uncle Dan.
Eh?
Hadi mbuzi ilikuwa inapata hivi nataka ipige hivi.
Oh, mbuzi yako hii.
Eh.
So Maria was telling me the goat here was following to say hello to you guys. This is Maria's goat. Man. Yeah. Anyway, guys, that was just a by the way. All I wanted to say that I have never been in Narok, and thank you so much for Narok people. You guys are amazing. You made us feel at home, and that was very, very, very nice. Peace, love, and positive vibes. I really was very happy because I have never been in Narok, like staying. You know, it was just passing and yeah, going to Nairobi maybe and somewhere else, but in Narok, to be sincere, I have never been in Narok like staying, but I have been there for 1 week and it was amazing. Maasai people are so amazing. The land is so big and huge. As you can see from my video, the lands are so good and amazing, guys. So yes, still I want you to guess, guys, is it a real estate that we are going to do there? Of course, we are going back there very, very, very soon. So guess, is it a real estate, guys? Yeah, if you're watching me, guess. Yeah, so this is our village, and wow, you know, we still have some chicken here. Yeah, our project, but there are not many over there. I wish I could go in, but you know, they are very stubborn. So guys, from here, as I told you, this is village grandpa's home. This is where I live, this is where I stay, this is where I was born and raised, and that is Maj_KE, guys. Yeah. So guys, if you're new here and you don't know my story or our story here in the village, we came from this place that you see here. We have some blocks here. We came from this place. A story that we have here. This place had a mud house here, but it was cemented. You can see even from here. Yeah, it was cemented down. But we had a mud house here, and I thank the Almighty because, guys, we moved from there to this place. It's God's grace, because you never know. You never know tomorrow. You never know. So this is where my parents built a house from that place, which was a mud house. And I really, yeah, someone is calling, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is my mom. I'll call her back. Yeah. So from here, we had a mud house when we were young, and then we migrated. I don't know if that is the right language, but we migrated from here. Hey, Maria, unabeba ni? Hiyo nini unabeba? Unapeleka wapi? Yeah, so I really love Maria because she's very keen. Meh. Yeah, she's very like active when she's at home. Of course, she makes us happy and everything. Like right now, you can see it's only me at home because my dad, my mom, they're at work, so I'm the only one here at home. And when they come, we are only me, my mom, my dad, Maria, and someone who helped us. But it's very good. Maria, umefungua mbuzi? Aya, leta. So the goat had nikusaidia hapa. Yes, so we have to tie it somewhere. Ilikuwa imefungwa wapi? Unajua kufunga? Aya, kuja basi unishikie kamera. So I'm telling Maria to come and hold the camera for me so that we can do this, guys, you know. Nishikie hii. Imeingia ndani. So the goat is going in. Shika hivi vile nimeshika. Sasa unajiangalia. So guys, shika hivi. Guys, I'm trying to show Maria how to hold the camera so that I can tie the goat. Shika hivi. Hivi. Acha kuweka kidole.
Hivi.
Wewe uone vile usishike hapa na hapa. So guys, don't worry. Kindly don't worry. I'm just trying to show Maria how to hold the camera. You know, in the near future, you never know. Maria could be a very big YouTuber. Haya, simama hapa. Kuja hapa. Shikilia hivi. Haya. Hivyo. Yes. Don't worry about the I'm just nimulike mimi. Hivyo. Ushikilie tu hivyo, sawa? So guys, don't worry. Usitoe hapo. Shikilia vizuri hivyo. Yeah. So we're trying to, this is the way that the goat was tied here, guys. See. So we are going to tie it here, this stick over here. Yeah. So this is how we tie the goat here.
Itagonga.
Yakugonga.
Gongi.
Wewe. Sasa mbona unaiogopa?
Naiogopa. Bali itajifunga.
Haya. Nimulike hapa. Yes. So guys, behind the camera was Maria. Don't worry about the shaky or going around. So that was Maria. That was Maria behind the camera. Yeah, my lovely niece. She's from school, guys. Nini? Yeah, so she's from school. Guys. School. What did you learn today?
Learn.
Ulisoma nini?
A, E, I, O, A, Ja, J, G, Jo, Ja, Ka, Ke, Ki, Ko, Ka, La, Le, Li, Lo,
Lu.
La, Ga, Ge, Gi, Go, Ga, Ha.
Yeah. So guys, that is Maria. I'm even not understanding. Like, you know, right now we have CBC. They call it CBC, yes. So we are new to it. But anyway, guys, it's very good of her. She's learning so fast. And also we are trying to teach her how to hold the camera and everything. She's on Instagram, so she's learning so fast. So this is the first time, by the way, I gave her my camera to hold for me, and she's good, guys. So yeah, flowers. It's long since I came here to see how these are doing, and they are very, very, very much fine. They are glowing. Yeah. So if you don't know, these flowers are called snake flowers, and they chase away snakes. If you don't know, yeah. So
You stop playing. Playing in flower.
don't.
Playing in the flower.
No playing in the flower. Yes. So that is Maria, guys. Hey, good girl. Bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
See you in the evening.
Okay. Yeah. So guys, we are going out. Let's go and see what is happening up there. Since I came, I have been indoors sleeping and getting my mind together. Niaje? Uko poa? Yeah, so since I came, I've been indoors. We say indoors, guys. I don't know if you can see me clearly. So we're saying I've been indoors. Yeah, let me. Yeah, so guys, let's move out. This is Village Grandpa here. So let's go out. So is there Village Grandpa. Yeah, so guys, out here and we are going to visit my also Pope's brother, of course. Yeah, so we are going to visit him and yeah guys, so after here I told you I'm out of this Village Grandpa's residence. This is where we live, guys. Yeah, so anytime you come, and it's near the road over there, so it's few meters from here. So anytime you come and you want to visit Maja_KE, this is where I live, guys. So I really want to say thank you so much. And we have one of a visitor here, not even a visitor, living in Nyabohanse, but a good friend and a teacher. He can teach. He can teach us. Yes.
Hello. I'm very humble, grateful to be with Maja_KE, and I'm very happy today, very humble today. This is your boy Kamanja_Kenya, very new in YouTube, and how I wish that this thing continues the way it is, and I'm very happy for the steps the boy and Maja is taking. That is why today I said I must pay him a visit for a shout out.
Yeah. Guys, I really believe maybe we should go in. It's bad manners.
Yeah.
When a visitor comes and then he doesn't go in. So guys, you already know what it is. So I think this is your first time here, yeah?
Yeah, this is my first time. Oh, it's a very wonderful compound.
Yes. This is your first time?
This is my first time. I was a kid when I used to come here.
Yes.
But the place is just, it has really changed. You can see all of this.
Yeah.
The fence, everything.
Yes.
Everything is changing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And guys, if you don't know, this guy is footballer, not footballer,
no,
coach.
I'm a professional football coach.
Football coach.
Yeah.
And look at Maria. Yeah. So you can go and check out on Maria. Yeah. She's wearing see her. Wow.
Fun. Liverpool.
Yeah. Liverpool. Yeah, that is Maria.
Maria, say hi.
Say hi, Maria.
Hi, Maria.
Yes.
Hey, this is your team? This is your team? Liverpool.
Liverpool.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Yeah, she was here, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is Maria, guys, and the jersey. How do you see the jersey?
This is Liverpool. Very amazing,
It's a ball.
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 Football. Jersey.
Football. Jersey. And I end up with one auntie. So that is Maria, and of course, and I have some questions for you.
Okay.
About football.
International football, village football.
I don't know if you are international or village.
Anywhere.
Anyway.
The questions come.
Yeah.
I have the answers.
Okay, guys. So we'll be having that questions on him. He's a very good coach, and I was a very good player. Of course, he will be telling you also about me, because I was one of the people who went to.
No, you were the first.
Listen from him, not my mouth.
Youngest player to join a village team.
Yeah.
And that time Maja was very far away. He was very young.
Yeah.
But his skills, his ideas in football brought everything together. He was the person pulling strings together in that defense. In fact, he plays the defense. He plays in the defense. Like it, Maria. Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Maja was the first guy to join a our village team. He was the youngest guy.
Yeah.
We had so many people, but for Maja, his kids were exemplary.
Yeah. Yeah. So guys, I'm not saying that I was very good, but I was the first person to go to. We had Hongera Junior and Hongera Senior.
Senior, yeah.
Yeah. So I was the first person to go to Hongera Senior. Yeah. So he was the coach until now. He's the coach, doing it very well, and I'm really happy that you are pulling our boys up.
Yeah,
Like,
boys are playing football.
yeah.
They are playing really soccer.
Mm.
And I wish that one of these fine days my boys will be playing overseas.
Yeah.
Not in Kenya, but overseas.
Yeah.
I have so many boys playing around, but I want them to play overseas.
Yeah,
Mm.
for sure, for sure.
Yeah.
One of the best coaches here in the village. I think we only have you.
It's me.
It's only you.
It's me.
It's you and it's only you.
It's me and it's only me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So guys, I want to welcome him here in our village. You see, he's full of jersey. Like, he really likes jerseys.
Adidas.
I know. Apart from school, he always wears like the jerseys. And yeah,
I'm very proud of myself. Huh?
yeah, very proud. So, hey, Maria. Mapiga luku. Yeah, so that is Maria. So I just want to take him around our compound so that he can see his this is the first time here. Yeah, so I just want to show him around and see what is going around. Then we are going to somewhere else, guys. Keep on tuned. Yeah. Hey, the sun is coming from that side, guys. See how it
The
shines.
sun is falling. Eh?
Yeah, the sun is falling. So this is my home. This is where I live.
Yeah.
This is village grandpa's residence.
Mm.
Yeah, I don't have my
The
home,
famous
guys.
village grandpas.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is where I live. This is where I stay. Yeah, of course. Yes, so guys, and we have that is an Airbnb over there.
Airbnb.
Airbnb, yes. Yeah, over there. And of which I'll be showing you. So this is our compound and everything. I think right now village grandma, she's in, maybe, yeah, taking shower and everything. Maria, unaangalia nini hapo?
Naangalia kilo.
Fungua kilo. Hii ni kilo yako?
Huh?
Hii ni
Kilo yako.
hakuna maji. So I'm trying to ask Maria if there's water here. You know, we get water once in a while here.
I see the meter there.
Yeah.
Something that helps you to read the amount of water you've used in a month or
Yeah.
a week. Huh? But it's unfortunate there is no water.
Yeah. But we get it once in a while, guys. So, yeah. But anyway, yeah, welcome to our home.
I'm very happy, very grateful. Huh?
Yeah.
And I'm humbling myself to everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, guys, this is Kamanja
_Kenya.
Kenya.
Yeah.
Imagine, guys, _KE comes from Maja _KE.
This is a great village, I told you.
Yeah.
This is a very great village.
And Maria
Sko.
K.
E.
Imagine, guys, that comes from these humble beginnings. I believe we have a lot of people like KE. Yeah. And I don't want to say like I'm proud of that, but the person, like, when I was opening my YouTube channel,
You were young, I remember.
I was very young, and I was trying like to put Maja. It's not coming. You know, when you open the YouTube channel, when you put some name,
Yeah.
it's like not recommended. Yeah, so I decided Maja _KE, and a lot of people have used KE _KE.
Now that is why I decided to use Kenya.
Yeah,
full.
yeah, Kenya. Yeah, and it's very nice. God is good.
I like.
On our side, God is good, and I really
Very
appreciate.
much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, guys, we are going to visit also one of my cousin, Papa's brother. We are going there, guys, and to see more of some things. Huh?
Maria is saying
You
that
said?
God is great.
Yes, God is great. So guys, let's push. Let's go and see our brother over here. Is just nearby here, and see his project also. And God bless you guys. Keep watching. Peace and love. Yeah. So guys, as I told you, we are going to visit our brother here. Yeah, Pope's brother, bigger brother. And see here we have
This
mahindi,
yeah, this
maize.
is maize.
Yes.
They are just germinating.
Yeah.
But we are very unfortunate that the other day it rained. We had rainstones. Yeah.
Yeah.
And they were a
Oh
bit disturbed. You
yes.
can see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry for that. Yeah. Yes.
You can see.
So this is how they look like. It's a maze here in our village, guys. And this is our home. This is Pope's home. So we are going to Pope's big brother's home. We are going to meet him for the first time. I think he will be here for the first time in my YouTube channel. He just came back from Kisumu city.
The third biggest city in
Yes.
Kenya.
Third biggest.
Yeah.
Oh, Kisumu is the third biggest.
Yeah. After
Yeah.
Nairobi, Mombasa, and then Kisumu.
Oh,
And
yeah.
we have one as a fourth one. That is Eldoret City.
Eldoret. Yeah.
City.
Guys, you know, we learn some things from friends and yeah, like when you have friends and converse, you get to know different things.
Sure.
Is it true?
Sure.
Yeah. So even skills and everything. Skills for like football coach is
Yeah.
a coach.
I'm a coach, but unfortunately, he has brought me to a maize plantation.
Yes. Yeah. So guys, here we are planting. So see how
these
it is.
These are maize.
Yeah.
And, we said the other day it
But-
rained
Yeah.
cats and dogs, but
Yeah.
we had the rainstones.
Yeah.
You can see how
Eh.
the maize.
So
But Jesus, they'll be well. They'll be well.
yeah. But anyway, they are good. Do you think like they will bring out the
Yeah, always they are going to make it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are very young. They are going to make it.
yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the maze here behind, just behind Pope's home, and
Besides your home, huh?
yeah, my home also. So we are just going to see Pope's. We have some ants. Huh?
The black ants, eh?
Yeah. Whee!
I think they are.
I don't know where we passed, guys, but anyway, this is the village. So we are trying to find our way here. So do you maybe plant maize apart from like being a teacher and everything? What do you do else?
Okay, first thing apart from being a teacher,
Yeah.
I always engage myself with kids, training them football every now and then. But for maize, I just plant maize
Yeah.
just for consumption, my domestic consumption, not for sale.
Yes.
So I have a very small shamba.
Yeah.
Shamba is a very small
farm.
garden. It's a farm
Yeah.
that I plant maize that can give me up to 3 sacks.
Yeah.
And I can take that, I can consume the 3 sacks within 1 year.
Yes.
And I just plant another year for plantation. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So apart from teaching, apart from being a trainer of football, you are also a farmer.
Yeah, I'm a farmer.
Yes.
And you can see this is my first time in YouTube.
Yeah.
And I've just taken YouTube. Now I want to take it full time, and it's for fun. And also I want to tell you what's happening around the village.
Yes.
And being induced by my boy here, Maja.
Yes.
When I came here, Maja was very young.
Yes.
And I
Yes.
told
Sure.
you,
Yes.
I liked his skills in football, and that's why
Yeah.
I was the first guy
Yeah.
to just bring him from the junior team to the
So
senior.
the senior,
team.
yeah.
And unfortunately, he was injured.
Mm.
And after the injury, but I know his skills were very exemplary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. So guys, this is our coach, a very good coach here in the village, and I've learned also from him a lot of things, because don't see him this way. He's very tough. In the field, like when you do something wrong in the field, like playing football, very much tough. But anyway, I learned so much from you, and also due to my injuries. Oh, Auntie Sham. Yeah. So this is my aunt.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pope's mom. Yeah. So, uh, this guy was very tough on like football. Oh, but when I was injured, I decided to quit.
But
Like,
Maja, we are planning to have a competition
yeah,
between the junior team. We have those the below 20 years.
yes,
And with us now, people are above 30, 28 years.
yeah,
This is December. We are heading to December holidays.
yes,
We want to have fun. We
Yes.
want to have fun.
Yes.
Run with the sacks.
Yeah.
Eating competition. We have to have that village fun with
Yeah.
us.
yeah,
That
for
is
sure.
what I have in
Yes,
plan.
yes, I will be there.
Yeah.
Guys, keep watching. You'll see me like moving back on the ground. Yes, that is Maja.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we have here a very beautiful house behind here. This house also belongs to a doctor here in the village, also
He has a
helping us.
medical facility.
Yeah, medical facility.
In
Yeah,
the village.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So he also helps us. Maybe when you are sick in the house, you can't move out, you can call. You see where we are from? That is village grandpa's residence, and this is the doctor's. Yeah, so you can just call a few.
It's just a phone call away.
A
You
phone
just-
call away. Yeah,
It's a phone call away,
yeah,
and he responds. He always responds.
yeah, for sure,
Yeah.
for sure. So see the lines here, guys. I want to show you how the lines are here.
These are maize,
Maize, yeah,
and we have beans.
beans.
Beans are legumes. We have beans, and they always grow together.
Yeah, for
But
sure.
the maturity of these beans is a bit earlier.
Mm-hmm.
We are going to harvest the beans earlier than May.
Maize.
Earlier.
Oh, beans we harvest earlier than maize.
than
Yes.
maize,
Yeah.
But for now, like in Africa now, we can use the bean leaves. You can see these leaves.
Yeah.
If we pick the bean leaves this way, we can cook them
Mhm.
for like vegetables in our houses, and we can take them with cornmeal. That
Yeah.
is in Kenya we call cornmeal is ugali.
Ugali.
Yeah.
Cornmeal. Hey
Yeah,
guys,
cornmeal.
that is
Ugali.
something I'm learning right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. Wow. I really see the lines.
Okay.
They're really arranged. Guys, see
They
from here.
plant well.
I don't know if you can see well. Lines are, huh?
They are very straight,
Very straight
very straight. And I
on this
think
angle. Yeah.
at the end of the harvesting season, this guy is gonna harvest about some 10 to 15 sacks
Yeah.
of maize and 2 sacks of beans.
Yeah, for sure.
And I think that one for commercial use, very good.
Yeah. Yeah, so guys, this is the place. We are almost there. And also this, do you know this place?
Remind me.
This place is okay, this place is okay. Maybe we should talk about this some other time, but this
Yeah.
place is
Somebody is just calling me.
we have some chicken here. And
This
this
is
place
a chicken
is
project, eh?
yeah, chicken project, and it's really built so well. You can see.
Maja,
A
do we
chicken.
have security inside here?
Yeah,
Ah.
yeah. This place is secured.
It's very
Trust
secure.
me, very secured. You can see from here. You can't even go in unless you pass through the gate. It's very secured here. Yeah, here. So this project also, it's very good, and it's also behind. Yeah, Aunt Unenda. Yeah, that is my aunt going back home. Pope's mom. And this toilet, yeah, I think this is,
Somebody is trying to
yeah,
dig.
yeah. So
pit,
this is the normal toilet here in the village.
Yeah, it's a latrine, a pit latrine.
Pit.
It's a pit.
Yeah. Yes. So guys, yeah, we are going, guys. We are almost there. Yeah, so we are almost here, guys. This is how everything looks like. So guys, we here. I don't want to show you what is going on here before we talk to the owner. You know, guys, I want to say like before you do anything or a video, you have to ask for permission. So we are here, but I don't want to show anything here before we ask for permission from anyone. Yeah, so my brother is here, Pope's big brother. Yes. Mambo.
Nida.
Yes.
Yo. Niaje.
Poa sana. Yeah, so this is Pope's big brother, and we are here at his house. I didn't want to show the house because you really have to ask before you. Yes.
Russia.
Yes, there's no problem, no problem.
No problem.
No problem. You can
Yeah.
just show them the small beginning.
Yes.
Sawa sawa.
Yes.
Si mimi na save.
Yes. Yeah.
Na
So
save hii number na kukora. Sawa. Ma 8 hivi, si ndio?
yeah. So guys, this is Pope's big brother and also my big brother. Yeah, first cousin, and we will be talking to him. Yes, how are you?
I'm
Introduce yourself.
I'm
say-
good.
Yeah, yeah.
Russia 98 as usual.
Yes.
Yes, that's my name.
Russia 98 on YouTube.
Russia 98. Yeah.
Kindly support him. Big brother to me. I really respect him and everything. So guys, we're going to show you his construction, and of course, you know, guys, we have big things coming. That is real estates. I don't know, down the comment section. Real estates, we are going back. So this is Pope's big brother.
Yes.
And also my big brother. I really respect him. Yeah, so he will be showing us his new project here. Yeah, so shikamo.
Sasa wewe unaniuliza, mimi nakuonyesha as we move on.
Yeah, so guys, we just want to ask, like, you know, he's telling me I ask him
And
like
I answer.
and,
Question and answer.
yeah.
Yes.
So
Show them the farm. Small farm.
oh, small farm.
Yeah. Maize and beans.
Yeah,
Corn and
corn and it's corn and
beans.
beans.
Yes, that's
yeah.
corn and beans. That's what they call it.
Yeah. So guys, we're just neighbors here, and the good thing, you know, this is I didn't want to show you here, but now we are showing you. So this place is for Russia Slim. Huh? Yes. Russia Slim. This is his house, and of course here we have also another place which is for Engineer Software, if you know him. This place here, so they are neighbors. We live like
Very close range.
yeah, very close range. So Russia, like, let me say, why did you decide maybe to build here or move from home to this place?
We need space.
Yeah.
As youths, as you grow, you need space.
Yes.
A big place to start your life, and you can build your house of your dream. Now this is just the beginning. Now I'll put my dream house here. You can see the
Yeah. Dream house. Yes. Yes.
I'll put my dream house here.
Yeah.
So the best way to start is have a small place to live.
Yes,
as
of
you do your
course.
constructions.
Yeah. Sure.
Yes, that's
Yes.
what I decided to do.
That is what motivated you. Like, I have to move from home
Moving from home and creating space for others.
for others.
Yes.
The young, like
Exactly.
Pope, like creating space
Yes,
for
for
Pope.
Pope Africa.
Yes.
Yeah, we're creating space for him.
Yeah. So you're having your construction here. Yeah. Maybe can we get a tour maybe inside, or
It's very dark. Will you
no?
be
The
able
camera is good.
to... Yes, you can come and see now.
Yes. Let's go, guys, and see.
Come and see now. I want to go to Masumbua, hawa jamaa kuingia.
So we are trying, guys, to get in. Huh? Yeah. So guys, we are trying just to check in so that you can see. Slow. Oh. Yeah. So let's take this route, guys. Yeah.
Umesema kuna light ya kutosha.
Yes.
So hii
This is the main. This is the sitting room. Yeah.
Just a small living room.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is the sitting room. Yes.
Small bedroom. As we
Not
said
small,
before,
big,
as
yes.
we said before, this is just the beginning.
Yes.
A place where you set yourself as here. I talked about a dream house.
Yeah.
So I start with
course,
here.
yeah.
And as we move on, you'll be seeing the construction of the
Yeah,
The
of
dream
course,
house that I'm
of course.
talking about.
And also, what I say, you start from scratch.
Yeah, you start
Yeah.
from done.
It's from
Yeah,
grass to
anything
grace.
you have. Yeah,
Yeah.
anything
Small.
you have,
You move on.
you move on.
You
Yeah.
can see. So here,
Yes.
this will be my bedroom.
Oh, this is the master bedroom now.
This is my bed. I'll put here my bed,
Yes.
clothes.
Yes.
I can check.
Closet. Yeah. Yeah, guys.
This
Yes.
is my small bedroom.
Mm.
Yes.
Yeah.
Small bedroom. Then, you see, as a hustler,
Mm.
living alone.
Gen Z.
Yes. You
Yes.
see this one?
Yeah.
This is enough for a kitchen.
Yeah.
One person.
One
So-
person, guys.
You can build. The construction is still going on.
Mm.
We'll put the
Marble. Maybe.